Gentlemen, welcome back. The boys are back. We're in the midst of World War III, possibly.
Yeah.
And what better way to sit down with your boys and just like not take anything seriously, honestly.
Yeah, man. Well, there's a deep level to this also. Okay, it's hurtful, man. Like when you open up the news, it's like, yeah, this country got bombed. ये सब हो रहा है.
तेरे को hurt हो रहा है? तेरे को hurt हो रहा है?
That's what I was looking at him saying, भाई.
मेरे को LPG नहीं मिल रहा है भाई घर पे.
हाँ.
20 दिन का बैकलॉग हो गया उधर. हर्ट हो रहा है.
भाई लगा लो पाइपलाइन में.
किधर लगा?
इतना पैसा कमा के अभी फर्स्ट थिंग यू बाय एज अ रिच पर्सन इज अ गैस पाइपलाइन नाउ आई थिंक. कि घर में सिलेंडर खत्म हो गया. चूल्हा लगा रहे हैं.
Dressed like a cylinder.
I'm representing them.
You're representing the cylinders.
Yeah.
Cylinder community.
They need representation. You know,
Just noticed.
they are at a lack. They need to be sourced. And
तेरे
people
घर में तो
should be-
खाना नहीं बनता है भाई.
हाँ,
You have
yeah.
what do you have? Induction.
हाँ, I have. I make
You
eggs
have
and
gas
stuff.
at your house?
Yeah,
What nonsense.
I do have. I have a fucking stove.
You never use it, but.
I use it. Now I started using. Ever since I'm working out, I've been using.
Making your own meals.
I make eggs. That's all I make. I can't cook more. I don't like being in the kitchen.
What?
I would rather
What
not
the
have the
fuck
kitchen.
does
in
that
my
mean?
house.
That's so
Because I don't
sexist of
enjoy-
you, bro.
I
Disgusting.
don't know. I just don't enjoy doing anything related to the kitchen. I don't like cleaning dishes either. I feel like a dishwasher is something I want to
Have in your life.
Gas
Yeah, at
pipeline
some
and a
point.
dishwasher.
Yeah.
That's the
These
dream.
two things are there.
That's the
right
life,
now.
man.
Targets for me.
Yeah.
Oh,
What
okay.
about you guys?
My personal targets are see, first though I have to make some serious considerations about my life, considering there's missiles falling on my country.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, man.
I have to make sure that my targets are aligned.
What?
We should
Excuse
stop
me?
saying targets.
Yeah,
It sounds
yeah.
a bit
You should
insensitive.
not
Yeah,
say
you
targets.
shouldn't.
Yeah.
Goals in life.
Yeah, this whole thing has been very weird for me, I have to say. Because like in the past couple of months, like almost everyone I know has texted me saying, is everything okay?
Yeah.
And then it's just like you're not used to replying to a question like that. Because people ask you, how are you? Like the questions are, how's it going? How's life? And you go, is everything okay considering your country is at war? Is just like a question you're not equipped to answer.
Is it also a stupid question? Like respectfully.
It's
No,
not a
of
stupid
Of
question.
course, things are not great.
It comes from a place of care.
Concern.
It's like,
but-
I want you to know that I care about you. That's why I'm asking. And that's the only thing you can do. Na? You can ask someone, how are they doing? How's everything? How's your family back home? But then like, what do I say to this?
See, I don't know, man. I don't know.
I'll be like, yeah, man, not good. Not good, brother.
It's no good. No
Yeah.
good right now.
Yeah.
Do you feel awkward to talk about it?
I don't feel awkward, bro. I just don't have any, I don't have any answers and I don't have anything to do. Like, there's nothing I can do about it. And nothing any of us can do
Yeah.
about it. It's just like something that's going on within the same timeline that we're in. And also, yeah, it's just like, मैं मतलब इसमें तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ.
Yeah.
तो क्या, what do I say?
Yeah.
Like you don't even know how to feel. Because if you're scared and you're then what will you do? You'll be like, okay, I'll at least keep up with the news. But that's also not real. Like everything that I'm reading on my Twitter, like the next day, it's all debunked and this wasn't true.
Yeah.
So you're just like in this weird zone ki bhai, like you want to care about it and see, but like you're not getting any real answers. And there's none of us will ever know what's actually happening behind the scenes. तो फिर क्या ही मतलब है? Like it's just like my cope with it is to live my life and like do things as normal as I can and like just go on.
Yeah, it overwhelms you, I think. Like all of that. There's too much information which you don't even know if it's true or not.
हाँ.
That's the biggest one.
हाँ. अभी there was like this video of, and a lot of it is obviously planned. It's called psychological warfare. So like if
ये तो real warfare भी हो रहा है.
हाँ, but वो लोग एक video डालेंगे. Now there was this video of the Israeli Prime Minister who came and he has 6 fingers in that video. So it's obviously AI generated.
Hrithik?
So
This is like when Ritik was the queen.
see, all of this is happening, and then you're just like, man,
Sorry. Unserious bunch.
it's like it doesn't make sense only. So it's just like better to stay away from it and do your own thing.
Yeah.
Sit down with the boys and have a chat.
Yeah.
Like,
A joke wouldn't hurt every now and then.
yeah.
A good laugh with the boys. The boys, huh?
Everyone's going through
Yeah.
some shit, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like those people have missiles, and then here they don't have cylinder.
Yeah.
So it's just like those people must be thinking at least we have cylinders.
Amplify the blast.
Yeah. As long as the
they're
cylinder's
probably,
there.
They're probably wishing they didn't have cylinders.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know, bro. I speak
Yeah,
to my
not
parents and they're just at home. They're just like,
Yeah.
For them also it's just such a weird time, and they've already seen one war.
Hmm.
But
They've
was
seen
it
the
as
Iran-
bad as this one?
Yeah, it went on for 8 years.
Holy shit.
8
The-
years of non-stop.
Islamic Revolution one.
No, that was like Iran-Iraq war right after the revolution. So like first order of business, let's fight this war.
Mm.
तो अजीब ही है भाई, मतलब it's just better to focus on your life, do your thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it is the first war where real war, I feel like we're all really experiencing in our lives. So it,
Yeah, to an extent where it's affecting lives even in India.
Yeah.
Which is just like that's when you know it's serious.
Yeah.
Where other countries are getting involved.
Mm.
yeah, but I though can't help but try and know as much as I can know, or I'll read as much as I can read, because it kind of freaks me out also. Like it's a scary precedent when people are just throwing bombs at each other.
Yeah, in big 2026, it's like we have achieved so much as a race, as the human race, and we've done so much, but then if we're still like
Bombing.
hitting each other with rockets,
Huh.
like what level of consciousness do we have to reach as a human race to figure ki, okay, maybe this is not the way to go about
Yeah.
These are psychopaths. These are all nutcases who have
They
a
would
lot of
feel like
fucking
they-
power and
It's a lot more than what meets the eye, no? Like there's
What,
just
what
so
is
much
the,
more going on.
What is the
Wo-
point of UN?
There is no
And
point.
it's just
What
a
is the
chapter
point?
No,
in
no,
your
there is no
SST
point.
book.
There is no point of NATO either.
Nay, like, but
There is no point. There's
This
no
thing-
point of the International Criminal Court either. There is no point of any of these organizations. They are a waste of everyone's time.
मैंने
They
क्यों
should all
पढ़ा
go
ये
Tata
सब कि
bye
this is founded in this year?
क्योंकि लोगों को खुजली थी भाई. अपने को उल्लू बना रहे थे वो. They were coming and fucking doing whatever they want, teaching us
but
all
that-
kinds of garbage. They didn't teach us anything of worthwhile, and now this is what. Now we'll suffer like this.
They should have
We
taught-
won't have LPG. We won't have CNG. We won't have anything. We'll all go to sleep. It's going to be very scary if you know. It bugs me, dude. It bugs me out.
Yeah, tell us how you really feel.
No, you say first.
Bro, अगर देख मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि अगर the end game is to have microchips in our brains, all of us, and just be like these transhuman AI beings. Transhuman AI beings.
Like robot.
There
people,
already
bro.
are a
Name.
bunch of them.
Transhuman. नहीं वो तो फिर if
Sorry.
that's where headed,
हाँ.
like we don't have to pretend like oh this war is what's causing. Let's just do that now.
But how will they implement it if you think about it? They can't just say na tomorrow कि चल ये लो ये डाल दो
नहीं,
अभी.
कल से चिप नहीं तो फ्लाइट बंद.
Flight तो बंद हो रहा है ना.
Flight वैसे ही बंद हो रहे हैं. चिप डाल तेरी गांड में.
एक तो मेरे पासपोर्ट के साथ I can't go anywhere, okay, and all the options that I had also, like Dubai, I knew I could go to Dubai.
बट ठीक है ना, वो तो अभी कोई भी नहीं जाएगा. बट एवरी डे ही वेक्स अप एंड वन लेस कंट्री. वन लेस कंट्री आई कैन
फोर्थ नाउ.
और फिर
पिछले 3 बचे हैं अभी.
और फिर इंडिया का भी अभी तो मैं इंडिया में रह रहा हूँ और अभी ऐसा रैंडमली आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर विल गो एंड मीट द इजरायली प्राइम मिनिस्टर. मेरी गांड फट जाती कि भाई अभी इनका दोस्ती भी अच्छा हो रहा है अभी.
Bro is stuck in the middle, huh? Like genuinely.
नहीं वो कल को बोल देंगे भाई निकालो.
नहीं. They're firmly with. They have.
They have to have ties.
They
ना,
have
bro.
ties with them
कैसे
also.
अभी
It's-
वो
it's-
सब they did the thing and then they're like अभी LPG बंद हो गया तो now we have to.
नहीं
We are ancient friends, historical friends. वो सब चाल. Then
No,
that's
but
when-
even if you
नहीं
hear-
बट वी
if
आर एक्सीलेंट
there are
diplomats.
there
Like,
are
Indians are
Iranian representatives of the state who are doing interviews and all in Western media, and
Yeah.
they're saying that they're in good terms with India. That, see, he's gone there and the Prime Minister has gone there and he's maybe said some things that have pissed people off. But there's sometimes I feel like in this world, when people say things, it doesn't really mean anything.
Yeah.
Like, पीछे क्या हो रहा है?
वैसे तो भाई ट्रम्प रोज कुछ भी बोल रहा है.
Yeah, he's just now he's saying he'll take Cuba also. Like, what is going on, dude? Who's like?
But he's got quite a lot right now going on.
It's just an odd time to be alive.
Yeah, it
like
is very
there's
odd.
like Trump is giving like a brief of what's been happening in the war, and like Messi and Suarez are standing behind him.
What?
You haven't seen that
haven't
video?
seen
टीम आया था ना, hello.
Inter Miami was doing a White House visit, और वो time पे Trump is doing so ऐसा वो सब suit में खड़े and he's like yeah so
Messi and Suarez.
our progress on Iran has been excellent.
He was chilling. Jake Paul also, he's involved in all of this now.
Jake
what?
Paul is just endorsing him, bro.
But still, like, he's also.
Hey, Trump just does a lot of influencer activity.
Influencer marketing, I mean, America is like great at it, bro. Like Trump तो
हाँ भाई वो मतलब वो खुद भी influencer ही था ना इससे पहले तो.
Yeah.
So you've seen that clip
Basically,
where
yeah.
that one Indian news reporter is talking, like covering the fact that Trump was on Theo Von's podcast and they're talking about cocaine.
Cocaine.
Cocaine addiction.
Instead of asking him about world politics, they spoke about cocaine.
cocaine addiction.
So cute she is.
Yeah. उसका भी सही है ना कि उसको तो
Yeah, they're like an
addiction.
owl.
It's like a soap opera has started.
सोप ओपरा से याद आया भाई. This Timothy Chalamet
Oh,
got so much
good one.
shit, bro.
Good one.
Why has he been getting shit? What did he say about the ballet community?
He said
Brother,
something about
Timmy has lost
Fuck the-
an Oscar in 10 days.
नहीं, voting तो पहले ही था, but
Oscar had nothing.
Yeah,
to
but
do.
let's get into it. I actually have a theory.
Opinion.
I have an opinion here.
भाई उसने अभी Timothy is on this great run. He's like this next big thing. I mean, he is the next big thing. The
Yeah,
biggest
sure.
actor. ये वो सब crazy movies कर रहा है. Marty Supreme nominated, Oscar nominated. और उसने कुछ तो interview में he said something along the lines of like who watches opera.
No, he was doing an interview with Matthew McConaughey and something, I don't know why, he just said...
No, they're talking about what kind of
I
work
think they were
he
asking him
wants
what
to
kind of
be
movies would he do,
associated with.
and-
then he
Okay.
says, I wouldn't want to do something which is something in the sense it's dying, you know, it's like
Yeah.
a part of the past.
that no one cares about, like
no,
opera and
कौन ही देखता
ballet.
है? This guy is making a table tennis movie, you know, it's like, who watches that?
Yeah, we watched it.
We watched it pretty.
Yeah, the movie you might have watched, I'm saying barely, not a lot of people watch table tennis. I
Yeah.
feel like it would apply to the same rhetoric that
नहीं, the
ballet
movie
or-
can be about anything. He was just saying
I know,
opera
I know.
no one watches, and then people were like, "What the fuck? Like, why are you like insulting an
Huh.
art form?"
Yeah.
So in the Oscars, they made it a point to tell this guy, "Ki fuck you."
They ripped him apart. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Conan था.
Timmy boy.
Conan screwed him, like people who are
Conan is good.
getting awards with just like
Yeah.
fire shots. for
Yeah,
no reason.
opera matters.
Yeah.
Ballet dancing matters.
What
shit
the
like
fuck?
that.
Yeah.
So
Damn.
he lost all his nominations. Like he didn't win a single Oscar.
Yeah.
So it's just like now it's become like Timmy.
That shit will hurt, bro. Like,
He lost himself to the mainstream, I feel. He lost a little bit of him.
नहीं, but मैं वही सोच रहा था उस दिन
Psychology.
कि you say one wrong thing, whatever. थोड़े लोगों को पसंद नहीं आया. You piss some people off, and you're just screwed. You're just screwed for.
और ऐसा भी होता है कि someone's growing really fast and now bro like he's the shit. He got some other award and he's like I take this so seriously like this is
Oh,
like
right. He made that speech.
Yeah, he's like I'm pursuing the path of Michael Jordan and this
Greatness.
guy, I want to
stuff.
be great.
Yeah.
He's like he takes acting like a professional sport where he wants to be the GOAT.
Hmm.
He's got that drive. He's dating Kylie Jenner. He's got a hot girl.
Okay.
This young guy, suddenly he's the shit. He's got
Yeah.
a hot girl. You're gonna attract some.
इसको
Nazar
नीचे
नजर आ गया भाई
इसको
बेचारे
नीचे
को.
लाओ पहले.
आप-
इसको उतारो.
आप
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I get that. Yeah.
Poor Timmy भाई. मेरे को तो लगता है नजर लग गया बेचारे को.
Nazar might be a real thing, bro.
Yeah, for sure.
As I grow older, I keep thinking because you
Nazar.
need something to blame. कि कुछ खराब हो गया है तो.
नजर लग गया.
अगर कुछ अच्छा चल रहा है और फिर ऐसा अचानक से for no apparent reason खराब हो गया तो then you're like नजर
Yeah.
लग गया भाई.
That's the.
But what was your theory? of Timmy Boy being
Nahi,
bashed like this.
Also, the Michael B. Jordan won Best Actor. I feel like he deserved it way more than Timmy for Marty Supreme. He won it for Sinners.
Yeah.
And Sinners was a way more fun movie overall.
Fun though, I will say for
Yeah.
sure. Like we had so much fun watching it.
Yeah.
We watched Marty Supreme also. It was pretty good.
Yeah, we watched the 3 movies that were nominated for Best Picture. We watched Marty, we watched Sinners, and we watched One Battle After Another. All of them won different category. Marty, I don't think won anything.
0-0.
Zero, no? One Battle After Another won Best Cinematography, which
Yeah,
I think you can agree. Like most people will agree. That movie.
I
was-
had the most fun watching Sinners for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Out of the 3, most fun was Sinners.
Yeah, kept us like fully engaged throughout. Even One Battle After Another was pretty fun. I enjoyed that one also. Leo was too good in that.
Leo was just fun to watch.
Yeah.
How does Leo not win any awards? He's won only one award. That makes no sense.
For Revenant, he won.
Khana, that's like not even one of his
Are you kidding?
best films. I
Are you
feel.
kidding me?
He's won a few awards.
Just good.
He's collected a few awards in the past.
He's he's shown up with someone who's over 25 years old.
Oh.
at the
God damn.
Oscars, yes.
No way.
Yes.
Our boy is growing old.
Yeah. बड़ा आदमी हो गया अपना भी लियो.
Yeah, I've also never dated a girl who's over 25.
What nonsense.
Pause. Firstly, we'll just tell how old you are, then you can say the statement.
I'm 27
Huh.
myself.
And you've never dated anyone more than 25 years old. Damn, bro.
As in they are not 25 years old.
अपना
right
लियो
now.
है, अपना लियो है.
What the hell? Oh no, I have.
How come you तो भाई तू कम कर. Damn.
I just haven't, bro.
But
why-
see, when we are 21, you're dating someone who's 21. Then you're 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24.
numbers.
But you
know
can
how it goes.
date someone who's older also, na?
Yeah, but none of us have done that.
I don't want to be with any old hags, honestly.
Goddamn, bro.
What the fuck? You're going to get cancelled.
I
for
want
this.
an older
Why?
woman now.
तेरा सब award cancel अभी.
Award नहीं मिलेगा तेरे को.
कौन सा award?
You're calling anyone who's over 25 an old hag.
नहीं.
Nahi. He's saying he won't date
Any old hag.
older than him.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think I'll ever date older than me.
Why do you feel like you won't? Why do you feel like you won't like it?
Because I'm 27 myself.
Huh? So
So then.
Nahi,
But why would you like
older
it?
will be so much better, bro.
Let's say you meet someone who's 28 and who is.
नहीं, what's wrong with? What do you think is wrong?
28 मतलब उसको शादी करना रहेगा तुरंत.
और तेरे को क्या करना है?
मेरे को
अय्याशी. इश्क नहीं करना है, अय्याशी करना है हाँ, भाई को
नहीं,
अपने.
then there is pressure.
Of course, yeah.
It's like abhi with like if someone's younger, okay, you're like, let's be together for a while, let's figure it
करो
out. I
time.
sound like such a chooth.
करो.
Yeah.
Time waste
Let's
करो.
Nahi, let me backtrack a bit.
I feel you
We're
can.
not cutting all this.
I'll make myself look better. Wait.
Please.
See, if I'm dating an older girl, and I'm talking specifically about myself because I'm at the ripe age of 27 now.
Ripe being the
If I'm dating someone older, that means they're 28, 29, 30. So then it's just like, if we do this and it doesn't go anywhere, I am kind of fucking you over because you're at 29, 30, and then you have to start over again, meet a new guy, and then build towards marriage.
Yeah.
So then it's just like, it's too risky.
Can I give you a hypothetical situation?
Sure.
What if you were with a girl who is older? You like her, everything's great. No, actually, wait. You're with this girl, she's old. Maybe you are 27, maybe she's 31 or something.
yeah, boy.
But she doesn't want to get married, and she doesn't want to have kids, and she's happy to,
I'll introduce her to
Find me
Suvi.
one.
You
32
still
year
have
olds.
issue
Wow, bro.
with that.
It depends on where I'm at, bro. If I'm just like,
What if she's American?
oh, that changes things.
American citizen, passport holder.
I am in considering the current geopolitical
Climate.
climate. I could use an ally.
एक ally तो चाहिए तेरे को.
Yeah.
हमारे पास तो एला ही एला है bro. अपने लोग के पास तो
Yeah.
Good joke.
Because I know I can go around in the world, like I can go to Russia, I'll be treated well. I can go to China, I'll be treated well. I would like to go to the States and also be treated well.
हाँ.
So an American girl would,
Maybe make that easier for you.
yeah,
सही है.
Is there a way to get there without a passport?
to America.
There are.
I am not prepared to discuss the possibilities.
I don't want to discuss my plans.
I will not incriminate myself. कल को मैं जा रहा हूँ वीजा पॉइंट मुश्किल से वीजा का
एक वीडियो भेजेंगे
टाइम
Reason for rejection.
100 episode 222
8 minutes 47
Dunki
seconds
lage.
in. Yeah, what was the oldest you guys would date?
Oldest. I think we've had this conversation.
I don't think about
It keeps changing though.
camera. But
Who's
yeah,
thinking?
I think
I will only date under 35. Okay, like who's fucking thinking?
No,
that?
like let's say you meet someone,
my
She's
max
cute.
is 1 year younger than me.
like that's the oldest.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I think maybe 24, 25.
1 year older is the max.
Like, because we're the same
What?
age. So
24 is perfect.
24, yeah, probably. Something around.
How did you draw the line at 24?
Yeah.
26.
Oldest, na?
Oldest.
Haan.
I don't think about all this anymore.
Krishna. Good answer.
Like, it's
Do
just
not
like,
think of this shit.
we are on a podcast.
That's
and,
true, that's true.
Out of service to the audience, I'm
हाँ.
just partaking
Yeah.
in this conversation.
तो मैं क्या मेरे को क्या देना नहीं है जवाब यार मैं तो इसलिए कर रहा हूँ To keep
Podcast
them-
पे इसलिए कर रहे हैं ना.
I'm a
keep
host and I have
people
to keep the shit going.
entertained, man.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you're
it's
good.
only
You're
it's
doing
purely
a-
entertainment.
Yeah.
You're doing a killer job.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
I mean that.
Thank you.
I'll give you your age.
I'm fine with any age.
Any age.
Yeah.
How about late 60s?
Hell
You'll
yeah.
do? You'll do?
Of course.
Late 60s?
Even
Why not?
What does the date look like with the late 60s?
सुबह
Maybe
पहले
I'm
उठ के
thinking like
दांत डालने का मुंह में
I'm thinking like a.
क्यों?
Gee, yaar. Sick, yaar.
old episode. This is
like-
probably more enjoyable without.
Yeah, so सुबह सुबह क्यों?
He's wondering now.
नहीं नहीं अरे दांत घासने के लिए अच्छा दांत ही
दांत तो
डेंचर कुठे आहे माझा
बेबी
can you find my बाळा माझा दात कुठे आहे? माझे दात
How will she say it, but?
I won't do all of that. Probably blind in one eye.
we'll wake up early in the morning.
Never mind.
Date nights will end at 7 p.m.
That's too late.
That's perfect, bro. Enough, then I can just hang out with the boys
whenever she
after.
falls asleep.
She's saying 7 बजे तक गुड नाइट बोल के हमारे पास आएगा चिल करने के लिए.
सुबह उठना पड़ेगा ना जल्दी उसको.
You have to wake up at 4
to
to
take her for a walk.
I anyway wake up early and I like going on walks.
Walk and laugh club.
No, that shit actually looks interesting.
Of course, it looks interesting.
I watched in Munna Bhai also. There's one scene where they're doing it, bro. I was
तेरे
like, man, I
बंदी को
don't even
पसंद है
remember
तो
this.
तेरे को भी पसंद करना पड़ेगा ना अभी.
नहीं, अगर-
60, late
You're
60s.
naming things I like.
बंदी is a 60 something.
मेरी बंदी है किधर है लाफ क्लब जा रही है शी हैज अ थिंग अर्ली मॉर्निंग ओके शी इज गोइंग टू लाफ क्लब माय गर्ल इज गोइंग टू अ रन क्लब
they go to a run club and they flirt and all. I've heard.
Yeah.
Like people are very flirtatious at the run clubs.
People are
Have you-
flirtatious.
Hugo's gone now for a run club. And they actually made him run.
I've never gone for a run club.
Huh, what? They don't run only.
I fucking ran like 4.5 kilometers in my first.
I also
Like
ran.
after 6 months I ran.
Yeah, maybe I'm hearing about only the bad ones.
Yeah, I about the good ones.
मैं भागा भाई मैं तो भागा.
I've been on one run, it hasn't stopped only. Since 20 years ago. I've been... Never mind.
Never mind. This joke didn't land. On to the next question. Okay. Name your top 3.
He's been on the run.
I ran.
Yeah.
60.
क्या top 3
Late
what?
60s.
What were you saying? Your top 3?
No, I was just pulling off a
Bad joke.
segue. जिसका रील
नहीं,
कटेगा.
speaking of like younger women.
Okay.
Can we
Guys,
Can we
come on.
discuss?
Make the sentence faster.
Can we discuss what's happening with Badshah?
Excuse
Oh,
me.
what's
Oh,
happening?
I don't know what's happening.
Badshah bhai, who's been on the show, who's our
Shout out.
like shout out Badshah bhai. He's in trouble right now. He's put out one song and FIR डाल दिया उस पे लोगों ने.
क्यों?
Which one is
भगवान
this?
का कुछ
No.
नहीं.
नहीं. It's a delicate subject, so we'll tread carefully.
How do we handle it? The
Okay.
two of you have to educate us because the
Yeah,
two of us
yeah.
don't know.
So he put out this song, which is like a remake of a Haryanvi folk song.
It's called Tateri.
Tateri.
Okay.
So it's this really old song.
He's
that-
from Haryana, right?
Yeah. He's from Haryana himself. And he's put out this music video which shows like Haryana. It's like in a farm somewhere, and there's
Just say
girls in school uniform dancing, doing Haryanvi folk dance, and school uniform as in like the Indian like school
The
uniform.
typical one, हाँ.
Not-
Like a checks.
नहीं वैसा नहीं.
वैसा
like,
नहीं.
कुर्ता blue रहता है
Okay,
ना.
हाँ,
वैसा.
समझा.
सलवार
वही तो
सलवार and
हाँ,
plus
हाँ, हाँ.
stuff
and
like
they're
that.
dancing, and the song comes like the OG part of the song, which is like some chorus, and then Bacha starts rapping
Rapping
over
over
this, and he starts with like, क्या आया बादशाह डोली चढ़ाने इन सब की घोड़ी बनाने cuts to the
आया बादशाह डोली चढ़ाने इन सब की घोड़ी चढ़ाने and there's
घोड़ी बनाने
घोड़ी बनाने
हाँ.
and there
घोड़ी
are
बनाने like that.
स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म में लड़कियां नाच रही हैं उसके पीछे.
हाँ. So it's just not a good look.
Yeah.
So you're telling me the 100 people involved in this project, not one thought about this?
I mean, he has clarified his, like, he's come out and said, guys, first of all, I'm from Haryana myself. I've grown up there. It's in my blood. I would never do such a thing to, hurt people.
Yeah.
And he's talking about how in hip hop, you come and, like, you're braggadocious and you diss your counterparts or other rappers.
Yeah.
So that he's like, I'm talking about them.
Those people.
Yeah. He's like, I'm unko ghoda banaunga, which is also like,
Yeah.
questionable, but not. It's not.
It's
a
better
problem.
than, yeah.
It's better than whatever.
It's like, I'll fuck you now.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it's just that the visual representation of that is just so bad.
Yeah.
Like you're saying that in front of
So now people are really upset.
people are here. People are
I
mad.
think I would think these people would be smarter than to do all these things.
No, but
Is
even
someone else,
recently,
who's the other singer?
Guru.
Guru. We,
Guru
yeah.
Guru did the same. He's also been on this. Shout out.
in front of the show.
We're getting all these guys on.
हमारे साथ बैठ के सब बिगड़ जाते हैं.
They don't say that.
Don't say that.
अपन
Cut that
ऐसे इन्होंने हरकत थोड़ी कर रहे भाई.
Guru का भी ऐसा ही हुआ था when
Guru's is also the
his
same.
music video is he is a
He's a PT teacher.
No, he's a photographer.
He's a
Yeah, he's a
photographer.
photographer.
Class photo.
Correct.
class photo चल रहा है and he's like एक लड़की को ताड़ रहा है who's wearing
And then he's
like a dress
dancing
and
with
all.
her and like
ऐसा
she's in
वो
the
he's zooming in
video.
on her and shit.
Why?
And why do you have to show school then? Like ऑफिस का फोटो दिखा ना भाई. ऑफिस में
Yeah.
लोग आके फोटो खींच रहे हैं ऐसा कुछ तो दिखाओ.
What I think is maybe there are people in their team who are maybe yes men who are like हाँ भाई आपका idea तो
Yeah, but that means all these ideas are actually coming from them only. That might not be true.
नहीं.
Well,
So you are saying this has been suggested by the team only? कि
नहीं,
ऐसा-
I'm
ऐसा
not
बनना
saying
चाहिए.
Whoever
Bhai.
suggested it.
जब
I'm saying-
I am on now. I'm gonna like take Bacha's side because he seems like a nice dude. He doesn't.
Yeah.
I don't think he's got like bad intentions.
Of course not.
So I think when your intention is not that, it's difficult to see it also, na, in that way.
Yeah.
Obviously,
But my whole point is
see ना भाई.
it's not just
Either-
one person na involved. Someone
देखना.
has to stand up and be like,
Bhai.
yo, listen, this
What
is...
if no one saw it?
वो देखना वो ऐसा कोई यंग आर्टिस्ट नहीं है वो. He's a well established premium level.
I mean, he's one of
artist.
the biggest artists in our
He
country.
knows everything. He knows what he's doing. So if something like this happens, it's a very big
blunder.
blunder, bro. It's carelessness.
It is, yeah,
Like,
yeah, yeah.
You've hung out with him, and of course he's a nice guy. He's made a. big
I'm
thing for
assuming he
himself.
mustn't
But
have
you
even seen the
can't be
video
this
because obviously he has
dumb.
so much on his
Of course,
plate.
he's seen the music video to
Nahi,
the
bhai.
song that single
The
that
thing
he's
is,
put
no,
out.
it's not necessary. Because
Abhi,
he's such
kaise
a
not necessary?
bro. He's such a big artist. He mustn't be having the
Arey
time.
bhai,
Someone
tu-
in his team would have watched the video.
कितना भी बड़ा artist हो,
नहीं.
you will look at the music video of a song you're putting
He
out.
has to be. Bacha
What
doesn't
is
watch
wrong
his
with
music
you?
videos. Okay.
I'm assuming.
yeah.
I'm just like
This is a
benefit of the
stupid
doubt.
assumption.
Benefit of
What
the
is
doubt
this?
is that someone from his team is responsible for this, and they fully like
of
fucked up.
course. We can.
It's not. responsible, तो he is only responsible.
Artistry तो responsible है,
Even if you
उसका
haven't
भी है,
seen the video, that's fucked up.
That's responsible. That's irresponsible.
This is not like Johnny Depp acting in a movie and then not wanting to watch it. This is a this is a very different ball game altogether.
नहीं, but एक चीज है what you said. Maybe the fact that he didn't
Even think of it.
कि people will take it like that. That could be one reason. Like he was like, भाई ये ऐसा connection क्यों बना रहे हो unless your head is in the gutter. कि तुम ऐसा क्यों सोच
It's
रहे
just
तो
we
उसको आके
will,
ये बोलना चाहिए था कि तुम सब गंदे लोग.
हो? I mean, he had to go to the women's commission.
Yeah.
And
see, he's a big
appeal वगैरह
person in
करना
the
पड़ा
scene,
उसको.
so we'll obviously give him benefit of the doubt and not think कि there is
थोड़ा सा
anything.
हक दिया अभी now. just to
It's
clean it
like
up.
just
It's
he
like-
must have. Of what I've heard, he's removed whatever.
It's deleted.
He removed it.
हो गया.
अच्छा, music video चला
Yeah,
गया.
he apologized. He
He's
removed
done
it.
his
then
part.
it's- yeah, then he's
He
done
can
his
let it go.
bit.
So, but they should be smart enough to not do this. This is the second time a major player in the.
But the
music scene
Guru
has done
video is
something
still up there, I think.
क्योंकि वो येड़ा है ना उसका अभी दिमाग में किसी ने डाला नहीं है कि अरे भाई उसको निकाल दे.
हाँ.
It's क्या ये क्या? Want me to come and lie here?
We're not saying
No
lie.
one is saying
Well,
lie.
if we're talking about things, then I'll
नहीं,
say what I feel.
I only brought it up first. Or it's not a smart thing to do, but ठीक है
हाँ
ना?
वही बोल रहा हूँ.
Gross. Bro, it's all gross. Like this goes across every like all spectrum. अभी एक नोरा फतेही का गाना है.
Oh, yeah.
Have you guys seen that?
Have you guys heard the
नया
lyrics to
है
it?
क्या
हाँ,
कुछ? नहीं,
उसमें
नहीं,
संजय दत्त है, आयुष्मान
I
खुराना
haven't
है.
seen the video. I've only been getting like the static of her like this, and the lyrics keep coming on the screen in my reels.
AI generator है. AI generated Sanjay Dutt and Nora Fatehi in an item
Okay.
song. Proper item song.
Thirst song,
1,000
no?
men dancing around her.
Yeah.
And then the lyrics
No,
are
listen to the lyrics.
lyrics are अंदर वो डाले ना निकाले एक बूंद भी ना गिरे बाहर ऐसा कुछ तो.
Yeah. It's literally that.
This kind of songs, this पल्लू के नीचे छुपा के रखा है. When these now I will take
banger हाँ but
के नीचे
now
छुपा
I will
के
take
रखा है।
a person like Badshah's side who gets flack over here because the only reason these guys get flack is because they're probably still not like these fucking Bollywood guys will do anything in their music.
Yeah.
इनको कुछ नहीं होता है.
No, that's what this wala music
Why
video,
should they get-
this song though is ridiculous, bro.
Even the audience, bro. The audience doesn't say shit about any of these
Bro,
guys.
audience कौन है ये देखने वाला वो बता मेरे को.
Mainstream audience तो बादशाह के गाने भी सुनता है ना.
yeah.
Like they can't be
नहीं,
only fully accepting a film because it's a film and then the song में all kinds of things are happening. People are showing their tits and all.
Yeah man, like I think
चिपकाऊं फेविकॉल
See,
से ऐसा ऐसा नाच रही हो. ये क्या है?
sex sells, okay? Like this is a fact. Like you sell sex, it's one of the most sold things in the world. Like
Sex
item, the whole
sells.
idea of an item song is
हाँ.
कि हाँ इसको sex दे दो लोगों को एकदम.
नहीं, historically
like-
also
yeah.
अपने लोगों को they have been so deprived of sex. I'm not saying this is the best way to
Yeah.
show it, but filmmakers know, they understand that if I
It's not just
show
अपने लोग also, it's everywhere.
across like
Even the US,
Yeah.
just like the whole thing.
There are like movies with so many sex scenes for no reason.
Sydney Sweeney has a career because
100%.
she
Of
sells
a-
sex.
Come on, man.
100%.
She's
Like उसका ठीक है, she's a decent actor also.
हाँ.
Good for her, but everyone who casts her and she herself knows what their value add to this whole industry.
Sydney
is.
Sweeney is Hollywood's item number.
Yeah.
Basically.
हाँ.
जो अपन इधर कर रहे हैं अपने जो भी हैं.
Sydney Sweeney is their Mallika Sherawat.
shout out.
More like, yeah, sure, yeah. But yeah, man, अपने को तो पसंद ही है ये आइटम नंबर का.
सबको
तो
पसंद है,
अपने
bro.
को
Like
पसंद नहीं है
it's
भाई.
अपने को मतलब
as a collective society,
yeah,
it's
yes.
just more accepted by people
If
because
you-
it's again
if
sex sells at
you-
the end of
आइटम
the day.
नंबर कोई पिक्चर में अगर नहीं है तो इट्स लुक्ड एट एज अ भाई ये क्या पिक्चर बना रहे हो. Item number
But
Yeah,
not,
अभी भी
not
kind of
today,
mind.
not in this day and age.
हाँ,
नहीं,
No,
नहीं.
bro.
नहीं bro,
the-
it's not that much. पहले बहुत रहता था because that used to be like your key selling point. You make
It's
that one
still
music
there, bro.
video,
Like any-
and that's what makes your movie like famous.
Most movies will have something. एक एंगल तो है जहाँ पे डांस बार में बैठे बॉयज.
आज की रात मजा
Just look back the last 3-5 years, all the hit songs. They are probably item numbers. शीला की जवानी.
That's
उसको
10 years
बदनाम,
हो गया
10
भाई,
साल
10-12
हाँ
साल.
जो भी है अभी ये धुरंधर में भी one song is there where the two women are dancing गाड़ी चलाते वक्त. What is all that? सब हर पिक्चर में एक आइटम नंबर होता है भाई.
जिधर लोग दारू पी के
छेड़ रहे नहीं है कोई. दारू पी के ताड़ रहे का है लड़के को. एक ड्रिंक बना ये कर वो कर. क्या है भाई?
Yeah, man.
Why
This-
have we
this was
accepted this
so
as a
disgusting.
culture?
The lyrics on this new song are
हाँ, but
pretty
these
gross,
lyrics
bro.
are just disgusting. If
नहीं
सीधा अंदर
डायरेक्टर
डालो,
का
like-
ये डायरेक्टर इतने फालतू है ना, इसलिए वो वैसा. they
Well,
they
director
have
का-
brainwashed their audience. They will feed them the garbage that they are constantly giving because they know that will.
I don't think it's just the directors. I think it's on so many levels.
हाँ, even the producers
पहले
might
तो
be
जो
involved.
म्यूजिक का लेबल रहेगा अभी जो है 2-3 मेन लेबल they'll be like हाँ ये पिक्चर का गाना हम बना रहे, इसमें हमको चाहिए ऐसा गाना, we will market the movie through this.
yeah,
Then the director will have his say. Then they're like नहीं ये पिक्चर में तो हमको नोरा फतेही का चाहिए एक, तो उसके लिए कुछ बनाओ. Like then it just turns into this shit show.
Maybe it's a team effort when decisions like this get made, where item song and very typical things.
हाँ, of course, एक ही बंदा थोड़ी ना
But
सोच
ये
रहा है.
लोग ना they're not growing out of their template that a movie should have, because they think that this is all the audience can. They underestimate the audience, so they think they will like this only. So then they don't push out fresh kind of movie. Now, of course, I mean sometimes there are exceptions like that Siddhant Chaturvedi movie where he's playing a Dalit character, and many other films like that. But then the majority of them are pure garbage. There's nothing inspiring about. I feel like they're referencing previous films. That's why even music it's remade all the time. And the audience is getting smarter, so they need to be there's now. They don't go into the theaters now. They're happy at home. That's why they have to do re-releases. Right now I checked, Tere Naam is in the theater.
yeah. You should
Eternal
go for it.
Sunshine of a Spotless Mind is running in the theaters. These are movies that people will go and pay money because they know it's going to be a money. मेरे को वापस मिल रहा है, इधर मजा आ रहा है मेरे को.
value for money. नहीं, if it's a shit movie, people just don't go for it. वो तो है ही.
Yeah, I mean
Also nowadays the reviews are like instant. Like a movie comes out instantly, you watch it, you put out a reel, everyone knows. Earlier you had to wait for a movie to come out, then newspaper में आता था. After like 2-3
You would
days,
read
then
those newspaper reviews or?
sometimes then
I
that
would-
one
I
guy
would.
would come. I don't remember
I
his
would see
name.
the stars
Bro,
they would
And
get.
then,
Yes.
yeah, they'd put stars. So that it was such a long process. So in 1 week they
Yeah.
still made some money, no?
We would
अब तो
also like
instantly
check
खत्म है,
the
bro.
movie timings. कि
Yeah,
कभी
on
क्या
the
हो
pa-
रहा
in
है.
the
पेपर में
newspapers.
देखते थे भाई.
But I heard this about Dhurandhar. I'm not sure if it's true, but what I heard was that they had a bad opening week. And then there were clips and different things about the movie that just caught flame online and really went viral. And then it started picking up like wildfire. Like then the people were reviewing the film and
Bro, so they did very good
Memes
like
and shit like
marketing with that one song
With that
in which
Akshay
Akshay
Khanna
Khanna
thing.
dances. Like that thing blew up. And everyone was clipping that, and they realized that that clip is going to get you millions of views on your reel, which indirectly helped the movie, obviously.
And
Now
many
it's a different game, bro.
Different levels of marketing, but I mean, at the end of the day, I think the movie being decent actually is what pulls people
Yeah,
into
yeah,
the
for
theater.
sure.
Dhurandhar was a decent film to watch. Though it was super controversial, so that also added some angle. Ki we will go and see what the controversy is
Yeah.
about.
Yeah.
But the movie, if you watch it as an action film, it's a decent action
Pretty
film.
good, man.
yeah,
Pretty good.
मजा आया.
Yeah.
Like-
अभी now the second one is coming, no?
Yeah.
Second one is will be out by the time this goes out, I think.
Hmm.
So
Oh,
we
really?
will watch it and
we
we
are
will
competing with Dhurandhar over release.
same day release Dhurandhar ke sath.
Dhurandhar doesn't stand a chance.
Yeah, but we'll watch it and we'll.
We will give our 2 cents.
But this over sexualization of just anything, it's pretty off-putting, bro. Like even when I see someone like a Sabrina Carpenter, it really puts me off.
Yeah, she's
Because obviously,
so.
first of all, the music is never going to appeal to someone like me.
No, that's not.
I like the
music. Can appeal to
music I
anyone.
like.
Sabrina Carpenter.
I like
I don't
Sabrina
like the
Carpenter.
music, but
I like
whether
the
it
music.
appeals to people or not is a different question. I feel like it could appeal to. It appeals to many people.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
But I agree with him. It's over
But
the
I
top.
feel she's doing it just to like ensure that the male attention is also there, because it's an entirely female crowd.
No, her,
So to keep
her
it balanced.
thing is, her appeal is to the woman only that, oh, you get to be sexy. And messaging is still okay, like finding yourself sexy and wanting to, but
Kitna.
कितना की बात नहीं है ना, but the way it's done is kind of like vulgar, bro. It's like it's your whole if it's your brand is to be this. Being sexy is one thing, but if you're on stage and then you're like, oh, the position of tonight, and you're doing like a random sex position with some dude.
What?
Yeah,
that's
it's
like a key selling factor.
I
for
don't know about this.
On stage, she goes like, have you tried this one? And then she does a sex position with someone.
With someone, matlab?
Either she'll just be like, she'll do this position,
One of the crew dancers.
saying that, or it's like with some dancer.
I like her more now.
I will now, not to, so that I don't look like a dick, I don't like it when guys also do it. Like Chris Brown ka whole thing is, he will call a girl and like hump her and
That he does at
वो तो behind closed
home.
doors.
Yeah, वो घर पे.
But he'll call a girl, he'll hump her, kiss her, and
But to be
while doing like a
hump her?
sexy
Okay,
song.
see.
Yeah, he does that. Like
Oh
that's
yeah,
his whole thing.
the grinding and
even Janet Jackson used to
Yeah.
do that.
But
It was
when
so
Dua Lipa
weird.
was doing all this, you didn't say anything.
नहीं,
Dua
do it
Lipa
to a
was never
person.
doing it like
भाई
this.
वो ये पकड़ के she's
पोल पकड़ के
That's
नाच
a
रही हो वो
that's a
अलग है.
dance, bro. That's classy, and she was
Yeah.
singing also
Yeah,
at the
that's a
same time.
classy
No, no, it's
dance.
might
that's
not
that's
be-
my
it's
wife. Okay?
ballet.
That's
See,
my wife.
see.
Dua Lipa is my wife.
My wife humping a pole.
He'll be
As
on
long
one
as that's
pole
the
now.
only thing she's humping.
What?
Cut to the next thing. What are you saying?
I feel like people just want to be seen so bad, bro. I think that's what it is. They just want to be seen so bad they will do anything.
मैं audience का perspective दे रहा हूँ. I don't want to be treated like I'm some like fucking loser who is only looking for like
Yeah, bro.
Look
Of
at some
course.
celebrity and be like like start drooling. Like I don't want to be. अगर that is your mindset that you're looking at your audience and you're like I'm gonna make them lust after me. I don't want to be a part of that. Fuck you.
Yeah, bro.
Like,
Fair.
मेरे को like I like looking at real women in real world.
Yeah. I know what you're saying.
It's like
Fuck with
really
that.
off-putting.
Off-putting also, it will fuck your what's the
Personality.
word? No, your thing will get distorted. Your
That shit isn't like, bro, I'm telling you, I promise you, if you are a guy and you get a woman like that, you won't be happy.
Yeah, for sure.
You just won't be, bro. Like, bro, there is something about, like, looking at a girl and, like, her having stretch marks. It's just like, fuck, bro, that's some real shit. You know, that's like a real person.
okay.
Stretch marks is an example, but it's like imperfection in general. I find it so nice.
Find it attractive.
Yeah.
Yeah. The flaws.
That's a grown
the fault
grown
in
man
our
right there.
The fault in our stars.
I think
No,
it's
I know
fun,
what
bro.
you're saying,
If
I know
you're a
what you're saying.
teenager and all, it's fun to look at a hot girl like a Dua Lipa or like हमारे time पे क्या Megan Fox. Like you'd be like, oh, Megan Fox is so
Saw
hot.
new poster what?
Like this is how we would talk.
That's insane,
ये
bro.
बड़ा ही नहीं हुआ अभी तक.
नहीं अभी लड़कियों को ये ताड़ने का खाली ये करता है अभी ये.
Excuse
Nobody
me.
else is really interested.
Excuse me.
I've seen your reels also, Stuvi.
You saw them are only chimps. Chimps and dogs.
Yeah, that's
Looking
also-
at some.
They're too cute,
There
bro.
are a
These
lot of chimps
chimpanzees.
also.
I love them.
Hey, bro, but honestly, abhi, if you look at my feed, it's just like you won't see one woman also.
Yeah, bro.
मैं
My feed is so-
I scroll past anything.
Same, even mine. Even mine is like that. My reels are.
रहने दे भाई.
I swear, we can do a reel challenge right now, and I'll show you all in how many scrolls.
Real challenge. Who gets a girl first
Yeah.
loses.
Go for it. Between you two only.
अच्छा मेरा फोन बाहर है लेके आएगा क्या प्लीज सोफा के इधर चार्ज हो रहा है he already lost
अरे
but I've
भाई,
seen this video
it's a
it's
meme,
not
bro.
it's not a meme
That is
but
fine.
watch it it's nice
Wait. 4.
Hey, we need to judge.
Does this count? It's
that's a
couple.
relationship thing.
Shona.
We need to judge, bro.
They're kissing, but it's a relationship.
नहीं, this is fine. This is fine.
7.
Pass.
Counts, bro.
Pass. एक से चालू कर भाई. हमने अभी
इसमें एक दूसरा मर्द है भाई, and it says when it's that time of the night, it's a couple
ऐसा कौन
and a
slide
rave.
करता है
हाँ ठीक है. Start from now. This is 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4,
that's an ad
5.
नहीं ठीक
I follow them.
yeah they're friends
6.
शीना का रीला है इधर.
हाँ
कैसे भाई?
तू कम देख.
7 8
9,
9
10.
10 हो गया
नहीं,
हो गया
VAR's decision is he's passed.
Bro,
He's over
Raftaar
two
और
versus-
कृष्णा
I'm
नाच
passing.
रहे हैं
I'm
इधर.
passing him. He's good.
Come
He's
on,
clear.
man, you
what
go.
how
He's
you
clear.
yaar?
He's clear.
It's
I
three-
meant
it's
like
three
a,
more.
nahin, I meant like a.
He's clear, bro.
What we're looking for here is
Like
like a
thirst
thirst
trap.
trap.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
there
chalo,
were
10,
absolutely
10,
no thirst trap.
I mean, the
Dalwinder
female
है,
ones.
ये-
Dalwinder है तो thirst trap है वो. नहीं, fair. You're
11.
clear. Now you're just flexing.
12,
Party.
13, 14,
Okay, brother. Okay.
15, 16,
Yeah,
17.
they're like licking each other's tongue.
That's cute, bro. That's cute.
Hey!
There it is, thirst trap. Let's go.
Oh, this is also.
No, we can't say it. But yeah, okay.
I can't see. I'm not with glasses.
Okay, no, you're
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
You're clear.
I'm clear.
13.
Good
Okay.
man, good man.
I have 14 to beat. that was. that was
देखा? नहीं,
Okay, now I'm clicking now. Okay.
It's a
That's
guy.
Ori's post.
Okay.
Yuck, you follow Ori, yuck.
चल दिखा ना भाई.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Hey.
Doesn't this count?
This is that
नहीं, नहीं,
stupidity.
okay.
Oh.
4, 5, 6.
What is that?
Hey.
That's Ankh. Bro, that's an Ankh. Look at this.
What is that?
St. Patrick's Day shenanigans. Look at Ankh over there,
This
bro.
counts.
This does not count. It's
counts.
about the man.
I'll clear Sui
It's
for
the
this.
man's post, bro. It's the
नहीं, नहीं.
man's post.
Like, if it was only
We are
one.
looking for a specific
Exactly.
kind of
I'm
This
looking
is-
for a-
This was how many? 7, no? 7, 8,
Oh, this
Oh, yeah,
wholesome family.
9.
This fine.
She's an actor, bro, probably.
This is fine. This is not a thirst trap.
Exactly. See, wait, Krishna.
What? I can't see. Who's that?
This is Su Young. Su Young's reel.
Oh.
Su Young's reel deserves a like.
ठीक है, next.
11, okay, boys. 12, 13, 14,
What was that?
15, 16, 17,
Chal, you're also clear.
18,
Holy shit, man.
19, 20.
There you go.
But it's
not a
she's
thirst
giving
trap. It's
relationship
good, man.
advice.
He's
One
good.
second.
He's
What
clear.
counts if a person
Bro,
is...
ऐसा ठरकी post किसी लड़की.
Exactly. कोई तो भी ऐसा नंगा
It's not
नाच
just
रहा
like a
Bro,
girl
when you
showing
see
up.
a thirst trap, you can
Yeah.
tell. ये सब नहीं है
No,
thirst
but
trap.
when, let's say, if people want to choose to show some cleavage or anything, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that.
No,
That's
no,
not-
no, no.
They,
No,
if
no,
they
no.
were to do that in a excessive manner and they are talking about World War III, what do you think of that?
That's amazing. I will listen longer.
Educative. That's called education.
I like it.
I will listen for much longer.
But see, I told you guys.
Yeah,
Not bad, not
bad. Good. There were some like nice family wholesome videos
Yeah.
also,
Yeah,
which
he's a good
I don't
man.
know why. I
That
would-
comes from my.
बड़े बड़े बच्चे.
He looks at that and he's like, हाँ ये चाहिए भाई. ये ऐसा प्यार घर बार ये सब नहीं है मेरे
See,
पास.
now
Like-
you get the chimps and all. That's what adds to all of this.
Good.
There's a loving
I
family.
told you,
yeah.
man.
I love that. We've come a long way, mature.
We've grown up, guys.
Because
Yeah,
I
yeah.
wasn't this person.
Are we not playing it with these two?
नहीं there's
I don't
no
want to know.
there's no need for all that. नहीं we've moved on now.
Okay.
we've gotten past that age where we're looking at women and ये सब कर रहे हैं.
Look at that smile he's holding back. Because he knows. He knows he opens his reels. He's cooked. Bro is cooked. Can we
नहीं.
see if you're single digit or not? Like,
Single
just
digit?
open your reels.
ये सब करना है क्या?
करते हैं ना?
करते
करते भाई करते. Fuck, I'm cooked in 2
Bro is
seconds. I'm
cooked.
cooked. Okay, this is one.
Okay.
Some random.
That was funny. 2, 3, 4. Hey, we've stayed in that villa, boys. We've actually stayed in this villa.
And this is not a thirst trap.
Wait, I
Come
can't see
on.
the villa
It's like-
properly.
This guy is making fun of all this.
No, it's not the guy, but bro, this
it's not
is.
a thirst trap. It's like
this
There's-
counts,
bro,
It counts, bro. Sorry.
Like it
You go
started,
back.
with, it started
I
with
can
ass.
see their bum cheeks.
अरे तो भाई मैं
Whose post is this?
I don't know idea.
Go to the first frame.
That's like 5 people.
Click on that name. Let's see.
Bums there.
तू क्या उसके फोन से देखता है क्या?
नहीं. So I'm saying.
This I'm not taking.
Wait, is this posted by a man or a woman?
It's a woman.
हाँ.
It's a woman.
Bro.
and Western way. It's a some Airbnb का collab reel है
तो
भाई.
वो इसलिए तो ना व्यूज के लिए कोलैब रील ऐसा स्टार्ट करेगा तो हुक अच्छा है ना.
hook, you're hooked.
You're
ना?
done. You're done.
Fuck you.
You go. You're out. You're out.
7.
Arey,
7.
bus, it's okay.
You're done,
It's
bro.
Fine, man.
10,
You're a good person, you go.
12,
Okay.
13, 14.
Now only women. It's only women in a row.
I was clear. 10 तक ही था, उसके बाद कुछ नहीं. So yeah, we've moved past all that. We've grown up, bro. ऐसा सब बंद करते भाई, ये सब हो गया अभी, उम्र हो गया ये सब. देख भाई,
This was a fun episode.
करियर तो एक साथ ही शुरू किया था भाई.
How was that?
पूरा करियर भाई, करियर तो तूने स्टार्ट किया था सबसे पहले.
किसका? Career.
Yeah, sex career.
मेरा खाता.
Why are we always talking about?
खाता.
You stop.
My days are तो over. My grandmom has asked me for a great grandson now.
Wow.
Your great grandson.
You can
Her
give,
great
at
grandson.
best you can give a decent grandson.
Tell her saying like it's too late.
Great, it's like you're asking for too much. Son, that too.
No, she's like, okay, now you have to start looking for a wife and settle down. Now you're old.
You're old.
I said
she
you're talking.
You hag.
Yeah. So that's it's a little scary, but when your grandmom says ki okay, chalo now it's like time is up. Recess khatam.
Was that what you were on recess?
It feels like life feels like a recess now in your 20s. You're just like, you know.
पर अभी भी चल रहा है ना.
नहीं भाई,
चल
I
रहा
will
है.
disagree. Life has not felt like a recess recently.
Sure, the
Bro,
last
कल-
2-3 years तो at least
last
we've been
2-3 days, brother. Yes, our house help has left us. I mean, we fired him, but
we didn't have an option.
bro, yesterday I've spent the whole day just cleaning my room, bro, and like taking my clothes, putting it in the washing machine, and
Yeah.
then I had some hair appointment, then haircut. ये सब हो रहा है. फिर
Haircut?
मैं एक ब्रोकर से बात कर रहा हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ, वो कर रहा हूँ. I'm
Shit,
like-
broker
then I
से भी
was
बात
just like,
करना है भाई.
जो कितना, how many things are there to do, bro,
Yeah.
in life as an adult?
That is true. Now imagine once we move out, and then all of this is individual loads as well.
Individual loads. Okay, we might not be adults.
recess का bell बजा नहीं
चल रहा है
है
अभी भी.
But yeah, there is just too much shit to be done. When you don't have any help, it's worse. Like you're just
I can't imagine
catching
the
up on
people who
stuff.
go to work, bro, every day.
Yeah,
9 to 5 करके एक तो your chunk of your day and your life is just gone in that 9 to 5. Then
Then
you come back
commute.
home and then you come and do all this.
And then you go to the gym. Like, how do people have their lives together is insane, bro.
But
Shout out.
if someone is living by themselves, paying rent, going to work, and working out, has their shit together, that's like next level. Next level, bhai.
I don't think you can have everything. Like, then they're sad.
लोग तो
कुछ तो ऐसा
sad
है.
नहीं, they are just disciplined. Sad नहीं बोलते उसको.
Sad. But shout out to the people who do
Yeah,
all of
that's
this,
what I'm
bro.
saying.
That's crazy. Like,
Shout out to the normal people.
Shout out to the disciplined people who have their shit together.
But it does. I feel like corporate chaps really get a lot of flack from others. Ke, hey, the corporate wala naukri
नहीं,
the
ऐसा कुछ
and
नहीं
all.
है.
Hey, people make fun of them. Like IT crowd and all they're spoken about in a, but there is a lot of courage also to live that kind of
Courage क्या है? You're giving stability to your family. Or making
there's a
money
lot
or-
of it takes
It's called, I think sacrifice is a better word, because courage would have been like if you actually ventured out and
yeah
this
maybe
is like the safest route you've
no, but that's what there is a bit of guts required to suck it up and just
For some people, it's probably courageous
that's
to
not
do
the
that
word
also.
to use.
I don't know, man. I think obviously the people are different, but I just don't see any. Maybe it comes from a place of privilege that I can even say this, but I just don't see myself, and I've never seen myself ever doing anything like that for a living.
it's
Which
like
is-
working at a job, right?
Yeah,
working
like I've
at
seen
someone
it
else's
in my head, and
company.
I was like, ये नहीं करना है मेरे को, मतलब नहीं होगा.
हाँ,
मेरे से.
bro. Some people don't. They want. That's how they've been conditioned to think that's the way they
Yeah.
need to go about it. So then they
A lot of people, and also
Most people.
circumstances also put them in that position.
And honestly, to not do that, no matter what the circumstances, to not do that and still be successful in some capacity, it just takes so much, bro. So much discipline also. And just like every micro decision that you make, if you have hyper independence and you're like मेरे को job नहीं करना है मैं खुद का कुछ करूँगा तो then everything is in your hands.
Yeah. No one to blame.
No
for
one to
anything.
blame and you're either making it or you're fucking it up for yourself.
Yes.
There is no in between.
Yeah.
So that is just like fuck, bro. Like even now with whatever we are doing, every single decision that you have to take comes with so much weight.
Yeah.
क्योंकि there is no blueprint for what we do.
Yeah,
कि
yeah.
ऐसा करके ऐसा होगा, वैसा करके ऐसा होगा. तेरे को खुद से करना है, खुद से भी आइडिया निकालना है, क्रिएटिव करना है, then bank on that idea, make it happen in the way that you want, and then now wait for it to work. This is also exhausting.
It is, bro, it's probably more exhausting because you're not following orders. You don't have a map. This is my day.
हाँ.
This is what
But
I have
there's
to
no
do
slacking
today.
only, bro. Because if you slack, then you're like, भाई ये महीना पैसा कम आ गया, तेरे को सैलरी देना है, ये करना
If
है,
you
वो
slack, you've fallen off.
yeah,
Which
and
is
then
scary.
you affect so many lives.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, even as an individual creator, you should not be slacking. Or even in any way, you shouldn't be slacking, basically.
Creator of any kind, not just content.
Yeah, exactly.
Like if you're in anything creative, like the weight of your decisions on a daily basis,
Yeah.
and also the constant feeling of like no matter how good you are, maybe I haven't reached that level of greatness where I'm so just like self-sufficient and believe in myself. At any point, I'll just be like, भाई क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? मतलब what is this a career? Like this whatever the fuck that we are doing, is this a career? मैं दोस्तों के साथ बैठ के बकचोदी करता हूँ. Then I go and play music in a club. Obviously, it is a career, but then I'm just like, how long will this last? कब तक होगा ये? 2 महीने में मेरे को कोई बुक नहीं करेगा, मेरा podcast कोई नहीं देखेगा. What the fuck do I do then? I have built nothing else. So then these thoughts also battling with these thoughts on a daily basis, which are like futile thoughts. You shouldn't be having these thoughts.
But
They're
it's realistic. Like,
But it's just like
Yeah, ऐसा लगता तो है. Like when you, from a creator perspective, like if you post a reel and it doesn't work,
your day is fucked, bro.
bro, you are just like,
then you have to make like 8 more.
you are just like fuck. I'm nothing today.
मेरे को रोना है बैठ के फिर.
Like ये reel गया, it's not worked. You're like, okay, अभी आज तो it's a shit day. Day is over. And क्या हो सकता है LinkedIn पे जॉब नया? Just feels
Open to work.
Just feels bad. And when something you do that works, you're just like, yeah, this is what we do.
Yeah, I killed, bro.
नहीं, I killed भी नहीं. ये this is now that if we've been doing it and it's working, it's like this is the standard that we baseline. So you do something and it works, it's like, yeah, this is what I do. And when it doesn't work, you're like, I have no idea what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Which is scary. उससे निकलना है but बाहर थोड़ा कि that can't be defining your, that can't define your day, can't define you as a person.
And we to make videos and reels and content and podcasts. Imagine the people who like make a film and then
That's what I was projects. Yeah.
पूरा 6 महीना गया है इस प्रोजेक्ट में और ऐसा कोई ने नहीं देखा पिक्चर. फ्लॉप.
Yeah.
क्या करोगे फिर?
Yeah.
What the fuck do you do?
Yeah.
I was
That's a disappointing feeling.
Yeah, I was talking to Yashraj about this the other day. He's like, when you make a project, and he only makes projects, he doesn't make albums.
Let's go.
So-
He pushes the envelope.
Yeah. So it's like, it's such a massive commitment to yourself कि you're putting out 5-6 tracks or whatever the number is, और सब एक umbrella के अंडर डाल के you're putting it out, and उसमें से तेरे 1-2 गाने भी अगर चलते हैं तो you consider it like you treat it as an experiment and maybe double down on what's worked and do it like that. But if the whole thing tanks, like no one likes it or no one listens to it, fucks with it, you're just like, you're in a hole. कि भाई
Yeah.
मैंने
A lot of it is also just momentary, like when you think about it, because then in 2 months you're doing something else and then
Yeah.
you've like figured it out. There is one quote that's going around on Instagram which says you worry too much for someone who's figured it out every time.
Ooh,
God
Nice.
damn, son.
Wait, say that again.
nice.
You worry too much for someone who's figured it out every time.
कि तू
Like,
यहाँ
तेरे
तक
life में
कैसे
जितना भी
पहुंचा?
problem रहा है, तू at some point तो you figured it out, ना? So
Yeah.
then if you know you're going to figure it out eventually, then why the fuck are you worried?
Yeah.
Yeah.
यहाँ तक तो पहुंचा ना है तू, कैसे पहुंचा?
और मेरे को अभी like one thing that I actively want to work on for the rest of my life is just like how do I reduce stress, because stress in general, even if you think about it from a health point of view, is just like it's the ultimate destroyer of your body. Like
Yeah.
it'll reduce your lifespan, it'll fuck your hair up, fuck your skin up,
blood.
your body, everything. Like just
Yeah.
when stress runs through your body, everything gets fucked.
Yeah.
And it's like the only thing that you have to solve for in your life to live a good life.
That's a big one, yeah.
And when you have some sort of a career which is like high stakes and like just like chaotic all the time, that stress is really high. So now I'm reaching a place where I'm thinking like, is it worth it? Is it worth having this amount of stress for like the life that I'm living? Because the whole point is to not have that stress. Because it really bothers me now, knowing that I'm always on my toes.
You have to be to a certain extent, like you have to be on edge in terms of काम ठीक से हो रहा है कि नहीं.
But when you have that stress running through you, it's like then your life feels like life is happening to you.
Not through you.
Yeah, you're not in control of the things around you. It's
But
just
you're
like
the one
I know.
who's making it happen, no?
I know. But it's just like
There is,
if I was making it happen, I wouldn't choose this stress for myself. So when the stress is involuntary and it's just running through, you're like everything else is controlling how I am feeling, and I don't want.
There's nothing wrong with stress. I feel like stress is a very normal part of everyone's life. Even if it's a random dog in a street, he's feeling stressed out at some point through his day. It's like, I just feel like it's an uncomfortable feeling. So people aren't really aware of how they could deal with it and like allow it to not bother them. But I don't think there should be I feel like one thing that I've been, for someone who's had a lot of anxiety and stress, I feel a lot calmer than I was before, and I feel like I've allowed it to I don't get myself into a place where I'm worrying about it. You know, like it's just a part of the like if let's say I'm under stress about something, let's say I can't make rent, for example. That stress is something that I'll just consider as a part of my day today.
But that
You know, it's not something that really I allow it to like affect me in a way where.
See, there is a difference between stress and pressure, bro. Like, obviously, pressure causes stress, but it's just like when I talk about it, it's like if you look at my life from outside, you're like, oh, this is pretty, like, it's a pretty decent
Fun.
life. It's a nice
Fun
life.
life.
And my problem is that stress exists even when things are going well. When I'm in control of, like, I'm in the best shape of my life, making good money, things are okay. Obviously, like, my country is being bombed, so that's stressful. But it's just like if you're lying in bed after a good productive day, you've done everything right, and you're still like anxious and stressed. You're like, fuck, I don't want to be feeling like this. क्यों? मैं तो मेरे तरफ से सब अच्छा कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ,
But
नहीं,
I feel like that's all you have though, right? Like what more can you do if you're taking
But
charge
see,
and doing whatever?
regardless of what, like whether you're feeling it additionally or not, it's something that's good. It would be unnatural for you to not have stress in certain predicaments.
You can't obviously eliminate
You can't
it,
live
and
a stress-free
you need
life.
stress in your life to like stay driven also. But
Yeah,
it's just like if it's just all the time, then it gets exhausting. You're like, भाई पूरा time तो नहीं कर सकता हूँ ना मैं. Like at what point is the payoff where I'm happy?
हाँ, abhi that's the system we survive in, right? That's just how things are. Everything's built this way. Like you're going to be thinking about work because you want to do good work, and then you want to make a lot of money, and then you want to have nice houses, but then it's just a rabbit hole.
अभी के लिए तो I keep telling myself कि 30 is the like 30 तक I can't be this stressed. Like let's say I take it now for another 3 years and stay in this high pressure environment, do everything I can to make it and be where I want to be. But at 30 it shouldn't be as much. But I just know
ऐसा नहीं होएगा.
ऐसा नहीं
It's-
होएगा.
You
it's-
can't set a timeline to
You'll
all
have
of
a
us.
new target.
But
You'll have a new
it's-
thing. You'll have something new you're thinking about doing. You'll have a new place you'll
अभी
want to
बच्चों
go.
का स्ट्रेस रहेगा.
Yeah, at
You
after
want
a
a
point
kid,
बच्चों का
you're
stress
gonna have
रहेगा.
a great
It's just
grandson.
Adulting.
Then you want a great grandson at some point.
That's what I'm just, my point of saying what I said earlier is it should be accepted. Like it should not, fear is good, but it should not make you uncomfortable. Like being scared, and like a lot of times if you're scared, you're not at your usual self.
Fear
right?
is great. That though I agree. Fear is like one of the
Good
best
motivator.
motivator, and also like anything fun that you do, it starts from fear only. But
थोड़ी गांड फटनी चाहिए.
first time you went to a rave
Yeah.
and did whatever you did, थोड़ी तो गांड फटी थी ना
Yeah,
करने से
it's
पहले.
just nervousness because you've
First
not
time you go
explored
to a
this
party,
place.
Yeah.
or first time you are meeting a girl on a date, you are nervous and you are scared slightly.
Good nerves.
Firsts are always
But then you
scary.
call it oh, butterflies in your stomach, and it, like when you look back at it, you're like, fuck, that was a great
Yeah.
feeling. Fear by itself is good.
Fear is good. Yeah. No, something you had said, bro, the other day when you were like, you need to have your definition of enough. Like, what is enough for you? Ki why are you stressed?
Nothing.
It will never be
Nothing is
enough.
enough.
The thing is,
Nothing.
So you need to define it. What is enough for you? And then I feel like thoda stress or pressure, whatever,
अभी तो
it will
100
reduce.
करोड़ सोच रहा हूँ मैं.
100 crore is enough. One day it won't be.
When I have it won't be.
When you have it won't be.
You have
तभी का
to
तभी
grow.
देखेंगे.
Yeah.
See, I don't want to be very philosophical and
Be na bro. It's a podcast.
नहीं मेरे को नहीं करना है क्योंकि like I can't come here and be like, you know, materialism is bad, and then because if I had a certain amount of money, maybe even I would go and want to spend it somewhere nice or get a nice house or God knows whatever. So I'm not in a place where I want to say you should be thinking this or this is the right way, but I feel like you'll find a lot more peace in knowing what is enough for you. I feel like if whenever that comes in, it's just going to bring so much
See, the
Shanti.
way I think about it is I like to have choice. So I want to have the choice of not living a material life or living a material life. That choice and freedom is what's important
Free will.
to me. Yeah.
You want
कि
free will.
ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि मेरे को कुछ करना है but I can't afford it.
Yeah.
I don't want to have that feeling.
इतना
Because I should be able to afford it and say नहीं करना है मेरे को.
Yeah. Should have that option
Yeah.
always.
क्योंकि then
That's
it's
fair,
just
that's
like
fair.
then you're looking at life कि oh, I could have done this, I could have, it just becomes a whole series of I should have done this when I was younger, should have put more work, should put more effort to get here. And like I see parents, bro, maybe my parents, other people's parents, people who have just grown older, and they're just, their hands are so tied in the way they live their lives.
Yeah. वो तो I think we've all seen that, like
So-
with our parents.
Like I don't want to be there. ever.
Yeah.
It's just like what's the point of living a life like that?
I mean, don't say that, but
नहीं, मतलब
there
it's
is
just
there is
like-
more. Like our parents have given us a very good platform
Of course.
live
ये
our
सब भी हम
lives
उनके
and
वजह से ही
उसकी
कर
वजह
पा
से
रहे हैं, but
जो भी है.
अगर अभी मैंने देखा है मेरे सामने वो तो जो मेरे पेरेंट्स ने गलतियाँ की है उससे तो मुझे सीखना चाहिए ना.
If you don't, you're an idiot. Yeah.
Yeah, you can't be repeating the same mistakes that they did.
Yeah.
So that's just how I want to like go about it, and I don't want to like my kids shouldn't feel like they can't dream big. Like अगर उनको वो सोच रहे हैं कि मुझे ये करना है वो करना है ये करना है,
Yeah.
they should, like their imagination should go there. I can control whether I allow them to do those things or not, but have the ability to dream big.
Yeah.
Like for us, I'm
Don't
pretty
restrict yourself.
I'm pretty sure while growing up, all of us had big dreams, and at some point, like reality hit us, and they were like,
हाँ ये सब तो
ये सब
मेरे
तो
औकात के बाहर है
हाँ,
वैसे.
और मैं मुझे तो अब तक होता है ब्रो फील लाइक आई टिल लाइक दिस ईयर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट आई एम डूइंग नाउ आई एम जस्ट लाइक ब्रो ये तो मतलब आई नेवर हैड द बॉल्स टू थिंक ओनली दैट आई वुड डू दिस
Yeah.
or I could even consider. Now when I say, oh, I'm thinking of taking a trip and going to this place, I'm like, bro, एक point पे तो like you, if your thought went there, you would stop yourself and you would be
Yeah.
like,
कि ये सब क्या है?
हाँ, ये सब तो-
भी
औकात में सोच थोड़ा.
Yeah.
Now, yeah. But that's what is the payoff, no, at the end of
That
the
is the payoff, man. Honestly.
day. Right now, the fact that we've,
the payoff is
We're
not
in this
having to look
situation.
at the right side of the menu, honestly.
that is true.
That's a nice payoff.
in any restaurant.
Mm.
Right now, we can like ignore it
What do you
in
mean?
cheaper
Just-
restaurants.
You're doing well, so you don't look at the thing of the menu.
Right side of the menu.
No, it's like I like this. I don't care what it costs.
It's like I can afford.
I want
I
this.
know I
But
can
wouldn't
afford
you
it.
wonder what it costed?
No.
I can look at how much it costs, but it shouldn't be like, oh, I won't order it because it costs
It's like
this
हाँ
much.
ये नहीं बहुत महंगा then you go in
नहीं अगर see if you're 17 years old and you're going to a date with your girlfriend to cafe coffee day, then you will be wondering, अरे मेरे पास इतना ही है.
So that is the point, no?
हाँ, so when now we're all in places where we, I think, but wouldn't you wonder, like, don't you want to know? Because I want to know. Like I feel like
This guy's not getting the.
No, I got
नहीं,
it, you
he's-
idiot. I'm
उसका
giving
ये
you
कि-
I'm giving you the opposite.
Like
I'm giving you south
17-year-old
pole of the
Krishna,
situation.
when
So that's
he
what
had
I-
to see it, now he sees it. I'm like, yeah, I got it.
No, no.
that's
It's
not
not
what he's
about
saying.
whether I got it or not. I just want to know how much it costs. It has nothing to do with how much money I have.
So that's the same thing I spoke about. Na? It's about having that choice. Ki you can look at it and see out of curiosity how much it costs. Good. But you also have the choice to not look at it and be okay with the bill that comes. You know what
Like-
I'm saying?
like your
Ki
date
your
wants to
ordering
order
decision
Yeah.
doesn't matter on how much that thing costs.
तू गया CCD, तूने 10 चीज मंगाया.
No, no, I know.
But you don't bother. You're like, हाँ भाई चल, 2000 का bill, I can clear it.
No, no, I know
That's the point.
what you feel.
2000.
I'm trying to understand why you feel it.
Yeah, I know. Fair. Yeah, you gotta work hard, move up in life. Not
करो
look
भाई,
at, not look at
Work
price.
hard, play hard.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है मेरी लाइफ में.
Yeah.
Ignore the right side of the menu.
वो भी आ रहा है.
It's
I just
going, it's
needed-
going.
I just needed to vent a bit. I think.
Good man.
That's good, that's
Always.
good. It's a safe
अपना ही-
space.
अपना ही समझ
ऐसा
podcast.
पब्लिकली आके करना था मेरे.
Safe space.
हाँ.
Only the four of
घर
us.
पे तो हम बैठ के ऐसे बात नहीं करते honestly. To sit and talk about our feelings and ये
So,
वो.
इनके साथ बात करूँ क्या feelings है वो. Talk about sex and
I honestly like whatever we spoke about, like a lot of it applies to just anyone, but like the stuff which comes about being a creator and ये वो. Before I would not even talk about it online because I'd be like कितने ही लोग creator हैं, but अभी तो
Now-
सब creator हैं.
Yeah.
भाई.
yeah.
तो
Yeah, I mean,
I think it's relatable to so many.
TAM is getting bigger.
What?
Damn.
Total addressable market.
Oh.
Where do you pick this up? from?
Yeah, this is like basic. You guys
You
don't
used to
know
work
this.
in marketing or what?
No,
No?
Where do you pick this up from?
this is like
Where do you
just
read it?
basic shit.
Where?
I don't know where.
So tell me what it means. I don't know what it means.
Total addressable market, like
What's
our audience, it's getting bigger.
Oh,
There's
You
some
guys heard of Sibao?
Sibao.
Have you heard of?
Isn't that a beer?
Sibao. Yeah?
Is that a beer?
SYBAU.
Oh,
What is that?
shut
Shut your bitch ass up.
you didn't know what that was.
Okay, let's call it.
Yeah, this is where TAM ends.
भाई ने कुछ तो अच्छे से बोला है.
अच्छा, TAM.
On this podcast, every time I like use
Show
some-
your intellect. Even
थोड़ा
this
एक-
much.
दिखा रहा है भाई.
एक chart पर intellect दिखा है ना इधर.
What is that big word you
ये
used?
तेरा साइबू, हाँ?
Sibao. What is that big word you used? Brother, all of us started calling it Shashi Tharoor.
Bro, it wasn't
It wasn't even
big a
that
word.
crazy. That word was something stupid only.
Petrichor or something.
No,
ऐसे.
no, no, no.
No.
It was something
क्या
else.
पेटीकोट.
ये देख. पेटी चूते लौड़े.
Okay, should we call it?
बेचारा मार्केटिंग का बंदा है. Fuck with him.
I've never. Yeah, I did.
You know, marketing jobs are just going away. Someone has launched this AI thing where you just feed them your website and it
Tells you everything.
No, it doesn't tell you everything.
Sub assets, like everything, branding.
And it
Oh, it
and
gives
it
you.
creates like this code which will just drive traffic to your website.
Why the fuck are
Why,
we
that
paying
is
that
what I was just
random guy?
saying.
Then यही करते ना अपन भी.
अपन
क्या?
अंडरगढ़ के ब्रांडिंग के लिए यही डाल देते वेबसाइट पे.
Yeah, see how good it is. Maybe it's not that good. I don't know. Have
It's
you tried
good.
it
It's
before?
good. It's good.
Who knows, bro?
Yeah.
AI is. अभी ये तो it's just like you gotta use it, man. Just gotta.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's
What
so
do you?
much.
What do you?
Bro,
usually
there
use?
is this website called this AI tool called Lovable. You can create a website by just feeding prompts.
Lovable.
Yeah.
But how nice
मेरे
is
को
the
ऐसा
website?
वेबसाइट चाहिए, ऐसा ये सब चाहिए, उसमें ये होना चाहिए. You just write it in
Can it
text.
make me
What?
lovable?
I mean, you could make a landing page for yourself.
Yeah, not picture you will.
Landing page तो है मेरे पास. But anyway.
Yeah.
ये सब हो रहा है भाई. तो
हाँ.
कोई बैठ के कोड नहीं कर रहा है आजकल.
Yeah, I mean coding तो भी.
नहीं करते हैं लोग.
नहीं, the basic coding is done
बड़े-बड़े
by
software
Bro,
company
you
में
can
coder
sit
आते
and be like, make a clone of this existing website that is there. It will make it in 5 minutes. Then you
एक-
can change the assets. You can change.
बट ये मैनेजर लोग थोड़े ढ है ना, उनको पता नहीं है कि कोडर भी वही यूज कर रहा है शायद. You know what I'm saying?
हाँ.
Like some guy on Fiverr you find is like code me this website. He might be only a back-end developer, but then he ends up designing this crazy thing. ऐसा 3D सब अंदर interactions वगैरह हो रहे हैं.
When it comes to all this AI stuff, now I'm assuming a lot of young people watch this podcast. If you're just lost in life and you don't know bhai career mein kya karna hai, just like go and learn a few AI tools, and I think it will lead you somewhere.
See how to
There should have
I
been
mean,
some
this
AI sponsor on
this applies for any tool, anything. Learn anything.
नहीं अभी के मार्केट में बोल रहा हूँ, जॉब मार्केट में तुम्हें घुसना है तो एक 4-5 टूल सीख के गो एंड सी वेयर दे नीड यू.
Yeah.
कुछ तो हो जाएगा भाई. It's like आई एम टॉकिंग टू द गाइज हु आर जॉबलेस एंड सिटिंग एट होम, डोंट नो व्हाट द फक टू डू.
us.
Fucking loser.
Get off your mom's couch and learn how to use.
करना कोडिंग बीडिंग कुछ तो कर.
नहीं, मैं ये तो मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है भाई. आई रिमेंबर this is I think the initial days of the podcast where there is no way we could have known it will be a career path or ये वो. तो I was like college is also over, क्या करना है भाई, क्या करना है. I had started learning how to code.
हाँ, I remember.
I was sitting every day and just like
Oh yeah, I
मैं
think
बीच में FIFA खेल रहा था,
CSS
podcast edit कर रहा था और learning just like JavaScript and all that. Those days are gone, bro. Like
Good.
Like you can't.
We can't be learning.
Like I was in a
JavaScript,
place where I
Python
didn't
and
know
all.
where my life was going, so I was like, I'll learn coding at least.
And
इससे
then
मैं कुछ
pursue
कर
a career
लूँगा.
in this or something.
अगर करना पड़ा तो कर लूँगा.
very lucrative job at that time because you could work from
It is
anywhere.
still
This was
Yeah.
like 3-4 years ago, bro. And now it's just
Patch,
like
patch.
Dead.
Okay, now
Now
me
it's
sitting
dead.
and starting that doesn't make sense at all.
Hmm.
Like me learning 5 AI tools is a much more viable.
If the point is to find a job, get paid.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. करो भाई, काम ही करो थोड़ा. क्या है पॉडकास्ट हो गया.
पढ़ाई बिढ़ाई करो थोड़ा, क्या देखते हैं.
या पॉडकास्ट
Watched 4 grown ass men talk for the last 2 hours.
करियर एडवाइस देने लगे हम भाई. ये सब
We've become those guys.
के 5 साल के बाद ये सब इतना बोला fuck the corporate world. now we're like अरे सीखो भाई एक दो. learn.
You learn a
Yeah,
lot
you can
from the
have a
corporate.
mixed opinion about it.
You learn a lot from
People are
corporate
too black
stuff.
and white. Sometimes they're like,
Gotta love
ऐसा है कि वैसा है, ऐसा
love
नहीं
a
है.
good brown.
Yeah,
All right.
good brown.
No, okay.
Brown ochre.
Ochre.
Him, you go and his
Chandan.
words again.
All right.
All right, man. This is
All right, MF Hussain.
MF Hussain
was a painter.
Yeah, ochre is color, no?
Oh. Then we are the ones giving advice. Chalo, bhai.
Okay.
Have a good rest of your
Have a
life.
Thank you.
blessed week
Peace out,
ahead.
guys. See you soon.
That was an awkward end to this podcast. Shit just got really